What's going on, everyone? It's No Such Jason here, and today I went to Toys R Us and bought this plush toy. Yeah, I went to Toys R Us and bought this plush because I bought. So why did I buy this plush? My answer is why not. I just felt like collecting. That's all. That's my hobby, is collecting. And this is probably one of my first unboxing video or something, but it's just I don't know, but it's just one thing. It doesn't show very much. So anyways, focus. Sorry about that. I'm trying to focus on here, but anyways, let's see. Here is the plush toy that I got from Walmart. I mean Toys R Us. If you don't know who this person is, it's Rocko from Rocko's Modern Life. As you can see him right there. So let's take a look. He's probably a wallaby, like a kangaroo like. Here's his clothes and shoes. It doesn't say his name on here for some reason, but it doesn't really matter. So there is Arnold, Ren and Stimpy. Tommy is at the front. Here it says Nickelodeon Plush. Here's him, Cat Dog, and the back. Yeah, I don't know very much. So this is probably one of the fourth Nickelodeon animated shows to be ever released, I believe, but here's the bottom. But anyways, let's unbox it. Let's get this open. There we go. His shoes are probably attached to here. I don't know why. Oops. Oh wait, it's probably his shirt. That's what's attaching. Hold up. Trying to get that string out. Oh. There you go. There we go. Alright, here is he all unboxed. Let's put the trash to the side. Here he is. Here's Rocko. So as we see here is his back. Here we see is his tail. We didn't get to see it when it was in the box. There's the bottom. So yeah, it's kind of like a plush toy though. See? So see the views for a couple minutes. He has no pants. I know the reason why. Yeah, I'm my I'm out to this box. So yeah. So that's it for this unboxing video. And I'll see you in the next episode. Probably in a few months or something. Or I don't know. It doesn't really matter. So anyways, bye. Boy.